Hey guys, we are here at the Team Savage meetup at Hype Social. They do this every other month or every third month. Really good turnout. You'll see the hottest cars in Houston. Now, again, you know I got to do it differently. So instead of bringing out an Italian or an exotic car, I brought out the Batmobile, the Michael Keaton Batmobile, and it was a big hit. It's awesome to see people get excited about these unique cars, especially the one like the Batmobile, because it's so special to me. Growing up, this was my favorite car. So we're gonna walk around, we're gonna get people's reactions to the Batmobile. We got a new camera that we hooked up to the Batmobile that's gonna see the roll up and then the drive out. So come along and let's see what's going on. We got a great collections of cars out here. I got a Pagani behind me. Here's an Aventador. We've got the new Lamborghini, the Revuelto, a ton of Ferraris, but it seems like everybody stops what they're doing to come check out the Batmobile.
Is it like just a complete kit, or what is it? Is it
yeah, someone builds the fiberglass body.
Okay.
Then you got to build a custom chassis. A guy up north named Tim started the project, did a really good job. We got it over here. Past 2 years, we rebuilt the engine, put an automatic transmission with 6 gears, power braking. Now it's actually pretty streetable.
What's the engine?
It's a custom built LS with about 950, 1,000 horsepower. So it actually shoots like a rocket when the turbo's full.
Really?
Yeah. It's fun to drive. It's just unlike any other car.
Yeah. Can you give me like a rough estimate of like how much are you in on something like this?
Hard to say because the guy didn't want to sell it. He just wanted to trade it.
Oh, okay. What's you trade it for?
My Ferrari 458.
Okay.
It's I was like, damn, I didn't want to give up my Ferrari, but I've always wanted the Batmobile.
You regret it or you're happy with it?
I'm happy with it because I can always go buy another 458.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
You can't get a Batmobile.
These don't come up for sale too often.
Yeah. Definitely unique.
Yeah.
Still have the FA, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Only one in Texas, I would assume.
Yeah, actually, there is one other guy that made one in Houston, the northwest side. He doesn't drive very much.
Yeah.
It's pretty good build. You can tell the difference on his wheels. He has a red bat signal. The hardest part about this car is backing it up.
Yeah, no, I would have, yeah. How's the turning radius?
It's not too bad for being a long car.
Yeah.
But
how long is this thing?
Man, it's long. I looked at it. It's longer than like a Rolls-Royce Ghost because especially with the wings.
15 feet maybe?
Now it's more than that. It's probably like 19
more.
feet.
19?
Yeah, almost 20. Because I put it up next to my Sprinter van and it was almost the same length. So it has a lot of presence when it's driving down the road.
How many people can you fit in this?
2 people.
2?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You see at these car meetups, people love the exit as well. You'll see a lot of people crowd around to try to get footage of the cars driving off. Listen to that exhaust. Looks like this guy's about to launch. All right, guys, it was a great event. So happy to see all the excitement revolving around the Batmobile. We keep one-upping ourselves. Last time it was a tank, before that it was KITT. I've got to come up with something even bigger and badder for next time. But we're gonna fire it up, pull off, and let's see the crowd. They're gonna probably want to take some videos of us pulling off, so let's check it out.